Good morning guys, it's Chris below. Another day, another video. So we are checked out of this motel. We're on our way to another place, about 2 hours drive. So we gotta visit 5 parks in Utah, and we already did 2. So 3 more to go. It's loaded. About to go. So guys, after driving around for 2 hours and something minutes, we are finally here. We're at the entrance of Capitol Reef National Park. So like I mentioned, we're gonna visit 5 parks. They're called the Mighty 5. We're on our 3rd park for this trip, and here it is. There you go, Capitol Reef National Park. Like I said, it looks the same, but we're at a totally different park right now. You guys can see it right there. Taking pictures over here. There we go. We'll vlog once we get inside the park. Alright guys, see you guys in a little bit. Another stop before we enter the park is Chimney Rock Trail. I guess this is Chimney over here. So we take more pictures over here before we enter the park. There's a restaurant right there. It's an awesome place.
It's nice out there.
Alright, so I want to kill the battery before we enter the park, so I'm gonna vlog later once we get to the park. Alright, just want to share this real quick. There's a trail here too if you guys want to go hiking, I guess. Let's go check it out. It's called Chimney Rock Trail. So right now guys, we're at the visitor center, Capitol Reef. We're getting some information on where to go hike, trying to find the arch. So that's where we will be going, and just taking videos and pictures. So when we go hiking, I'll do another video. But for now, this is it. Just nothing really significant here. Just asking for info on where to go. All right. Bless you. So right now, guys, we're at the Petroglyphs. This is one of the major destinations over here. I don't know if you guys can see it. So we plan on doing one stop different stops. We gotta pick whatever
Come on, let's go there, Mom. Come on, take boy.
sights to see that we want to see. We're not gonna we're not gonna stop at every little thing. We're just the ones we want to see. Because if you do like all the stops, we're gonna need more than one day just to tour one area. So we only have a few days. We plan on doing like a park a day. So there you go. So yeah, we'll pick what destination that we want to pick, and that's it. And then we'll go check it out, and then we'll show you guys. See their carvings over here. If you guys look closely, there is one right there.
You're really light.
There you go. I don't know if the GoPro can see it. I see it. Alright, we gotta check out a different area now. So this time, we're gonna go hiking.
Yeah.
With Jeremiah
Okay, bro.
and Eliza. It's not even a mile, so should be easy. So I'll probably do a time lapse again after I show you guys the trail over here. Here's the trail. Looks awesome. I don't know if I'm gonna do a time lapse or just keep going. Looks awesome over here. All right, let's go time lapse.
We're falling out, we have reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be after. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. Like the waves pull you down underwater. We're fun until we hit the bottom. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega.
Yan. Tulad na sabi ko sa inyo, kung kasama yung dalawa, matagal. 0.9 lang to, pero si Eliza, she's struggling during this hike. Napaka-easy lang itong hike na to, but she's struggling right now. So, but I think we're almost there. But she's the only one left behind over there. There's some areas here that we can take good pictures right now. And Jeremiah here, he's waiting for his ate, but he's using his ate's phone right now. And there's no sign of Eliza still. Look, we're gonna be waiting for her for forever by the way it is right now. She's nowhere in sight, but we're still waiting for her. All right, look at this, another awesome view. Just struggling. It's sandy over here too. See the thing? The ground we're stepping on, sand. Looks like it's a mountainous area, but desert at the same time. So I'm gonna come back for Eliza. Then I'll go on time lapse again after this. After whenever I find her. Eliza, come on. All right, there she is. If you look at this area though, it's beautiful. Like the other two parks we went on. So so many great spots over here. Alright, I'll just wait for her and then I'm gonna go back on a time lapse. Alright, I think time lapse is pretty cool, especially hiking, because so you guys won't get to hear when I'm out of breath. Alright, see you guys later.
I know we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, yeah, we could work it out. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, yeah, we could work it out. Alpha and Omega, Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega, Alpha and Omega.
So after about an hour hike, time lapse into maybe like 2 or 3 minutes here, this is what we came to see out here. It's the arch, right? You can see it's really amazing. Like I said before, it's not man-made, but it's nature. Isn't it amazing? So this is one of the main attractions over here. This is what everybody goes to see over here, and I'm just grateful to see it in person, not just in postcards or TV, but I'm actually here. Can you believe that? You know, this is one of the most amazing sights I have ever seen, and I've been to a lot of places. And maybe I'll end the vlog here. We'll see. All right, I don't know if I will end it, if we'll stop, but we're all pretty tired, and we're still got like an hour and a half drive to our next stop, where we're gonna be staying for the night. And so we might end this vlog over here. All right, guys, peace out, and God bless. Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down.
So it took us about 2 hours to get up and back down. 2 o'clock now. It's about an hour and a half drive to where we're gonna be checking in. So we're gonna be going to the motel and And I guess that's it, right? That's it for this vlog, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. All right, bye-bye. Thank you for watching today's episode. Hit the like and subscribe and hit that notifications button so you can be updated the next time we have a vlog. Thank you.